How to fix voicemail notification not working on Samsung A08. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications and click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset and reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin. Click on continue. Again tap on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.